Hi guys! This is our 4th day here in Japan. This is what it looks like. Sugi tayo. Sugi drugstore. Hi mga besh! Another day, another budol. Joke. So far, this will be my second budol only. Dahil hindi ako nakasama kahapon. Dahil ako ay tinamad at masakit ang paa. At iniwasan natin ang tukso. Kasama natin ulit ang gang. That's Cindy. This is Cher. This is Rizal and Marisa. Okay, rest day ng mga tao. And it's Wellness Day. Hi guys. Hi! Hi mga besh. Nandito kami ngayon sa bilihan ng sapatos. This will be our first butol of the day. So, this is my outfit. Hi guys! Bumili tayo ulit dito! Yay! And hindi lang isa, dalawa. Dahil masarap.
ASMR. Try their famous, no? Their malipalin. Viral. I'm not guto. 10 cents. Viral. 10. Yes. See. Oo, buhay mo. Kasi, hashtag lang.
Hagad! This is our first bottle of the day. Look. Yeah, we bought some bags here. May nabudol sa akin.
She bought this one, but in this place, she wants to...
This is my budol. Look.
This one in this place.
Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon kung saan ako nabudol for the second time. This time, a perfume. So I chose the YSL perfume. Yan, nada sa dulo. Saya. Am I happy for the purchase? Yeah.
There it is.
More budol for the day. Hi guys. Hello. Hi. Hi guys. After shopping, papunta kami sa Ichiran because sabi nila Cindy and most of the people who've been in Japan, masarap daw yung ramen sa Ichiran. Kaya tatry natin ngayon. This will determine whether I'll buy a whole pack of Ichiran ramen or not. Okay? Cindy, Miss Cindy, ano po ba yung masarap dito?
It's the ramen. Ito, dapat pag nag-Japan ka, hindi ka papayag na hindi ka makakain ng ramen sa Ichiran. So, andito kami ngayon para tikman ang masarap na ramen here in Japan. Yan.
Thank you. Ano po yung pinipilahan nyo?
Ayuda po.
Kung ang pinipilahan ni Lizelle ay ayuda, ikaw, ano ang pinipilahan mo?
Sopas.
Sopas?
Oo, kasi merienda.
Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa harap ng Ichiran restaurant. We'll eat there. Game.
So, let's order Ichiran ramen. You just have to pay.
You have to insert your payment there.
Meron lang ganito sa Donkey.
Meron sila Ichiran set. Yap.
Ito lang kailangan para i-take yung order.
Okay. Kanina, kinuha yung order natin, di ba, sa harap. Meron tayong kiosk doon, tapos nag-fill up din tayo. So, this is the order. So, ibibigay mo lang sa kanila yun. And then, they will give you the... So, you have to give them the ticket. Yeah, there's egg. This one, if you want to order more, you can just make a request without speaking. You only have to give them this, like that. You have it and this, and give it there. Things like that. Here's an instruction for them. See, we have individual. Meron kaming individual table na merong chopstick, wipes, and of course, water. So if you need water, just do this. Currently, we are here in Ichiran. We are going to eat their ramen because you must never miss eating in Ichiran or kahit sa anong ramen house whenever you're in Japan. So that's what we are going to do. Samahan niyo ako, ha? Tara, kainin natin to. Excited na ako. First thing, binigyan nila tayo ng itlog. Nababalatan natin. Tapos, meron din silang binigay na ganito. I think this is an instruction on how you're going to get the most out of your experience here in Ichiran. Tulad din na nasabi ko kanina, meron silang mga things dito sa gilid that you can just get and give it to them para lumapit sila sa inyo. Tapos kapag may kailangan kayo, you simply have to push this button. There's a button here. Let me show you. So, this is the button that you only have to press if you want to call them. Tapos, ito nasabi ko kanina. Right? If you want something more spicy, you can do this. This one too. Kung kailangan nyo ng kutsara at tinidor. Okay, spoon and fork. Yeah, give it to them. Basically, you only have to give everything to them and they'll give it to you. Amazing. He's so cool. Let's feel the elevator. I'm going to do it. Put it here. Very good. Of course, let's not forget to charge you because you're running out of battery. So I have to charge you already. This is our birthday here in Japan. Yan, dumating na siya. Guys, nandito na yung food natin. This is the meat. And I think they're about to also put our ramen. Look, I'm so excited. It's here. This it is. That's a ramen. Now it's time for us to devour the food. It's time for us to... Yep. I'll just charge you first. Make sure that you won't die on me. Here it is. Okay, let's eat. Let's eat. So good, so good, so good. Okay, this is the extra meat. Put everything in the meat. Ang sarap! The egg too. Guys, ang sarap. As in, ang sarap-sarap niya. I'm being too OA, pero no. This is actually so good. I will buy more. Okay, for chopsticks. sorry. So good. It's so good. It's so good. OMG. So you know the ramen here, you can choose whether you want it soft, you want it firm, and you want it mushy. I chose the medium. Tapos yung the thickness of the broth too, you can choose na rich, okay lang. You know, parang you have the power to control whether if you like your broth to be rich, you can choose that. Kung hindi naman, gusto mo lang ng very light lang na broth, pwede din. So yun yung maganda. It caters depending on your preference. And that's good. I also like how they cook the noodles. Dahil sa richness ng broth, kasi ang pinili ko rich, nakukoat niya every single strand of noodles, which is good. Okay. Let's stir here para makakain tayo ng maayos. At mind you, anong oras na dito ngayon? Like super late na. It's already 3:45 PM. Pero ang dami pa rin kumakain. Parang late lunch nila. Tulad namin. This is our first real meal for the day. That's it. Yeah, yun lang. Hi, I'm done eating. It's so good. Yun lang. Bye!